Hello. In this video, you're gonna learn how to install and configure the Uprising child theme from Osom Press. This is a child theme perfect for bloggers and lifestyle online stores. I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of the one-click setup, how to use the block patterns that this child theme brings, and also how you can make it yours. So let's go ahead, let's dive into our WordPress admin panel. And the first thing you need to know is that you have to have the Genesis Framework installed. Remember that this is a child theme for the Genesis Framework. So if you go to Appearance, you need to make sure that you have this, the Genesis Framework installed. The next step would be to click on Add New and then Upload Theme. Here you have two options: select the file from your computer or drag it right here. Then you can click on Install Now. Now the theme is installed successfully, and we have three options. We can live preview it, activate it, or go to the themes page. In this case, we're going to activate it. Alright, this brings us to the Get Started page. First, I'm gonna get rid of this so we can see the whole page. Alright, now, this child theme, the Uprising child theme, comes with two started packs, the original one and the autumn one. You can see the details of each of them. You can see what recommended plugins are going to be installed, the demo content that is going to be imported. Remember that some content will be imported, but none of your previous content will be deleted. Also, you can check out the demo pages. I'm gonna open it in a new window. Here it is. This is the original demonstration page. And we can also check out the autumn starter pack. As you see, it also has recommended plugins and demo content. Let's preview the demo page. And here we have it. As you see, it has this warmer feeling. Okay, the process is going to be the same. We just need to click on Install Pack and we're good to go. So let's go for the original pack. But first I want to show you the structure of the page. As you see, it's very clean, very minimalistic. We just have the logo, some content, and that's it. But now, thanks to the Get Started page and the child theme setup, we're going to import all the content and all the design. So let's choose, for example, the original theme pack. Now it's going to install the recommended plugins. I'll speed up the process a little bit so it doesn't take that long. There we go. Now we start with the demo content. And we're all done. Now we have two options: view our homepage or edit our homepage. Let's view it first. And here we go. Remember that we had a blank page and now we have the new logo, which you can change obviously, the navigation menu, this hero image with the social links, some content that is brought by a specific Gutenberg blog. We'll review it later. More Gutenberg blogs helping us with the design, and that's it. Obviously, you can edit this at any moment. You can edit the page. We can review other pages, for example, the About page. We can see here we're using columns probably. We can check out the Contact Us page. This has a form. This is brought by the WP Forms plugin. You can change it at any time. You can use another plugin or not use a form if you prefer not to use it. But let's see what we can do. Let's go to the Uprising homepage and let's click on Customize. Now, this is an easy child theme to configure, but we have some nice options. Let's check them out. So first of all, we have site identity. This is something that comes with WordPress. It doesn't have to do with the Uprising child theme or the Genesis framework, so we won't review it. But we have the fonts options, for example. We can change the heading font. So you can see we have all these fonts that you can choose from. You can change the body font. For example, let's go here. Here we have some text that it's controlled by this option. So if we change it, I don't know, for railway, we see that the font changes. Yeah, You could also do the same with the heading font. What else? Well, we could change some colors, for example, the accent color. This would change some call to action colors, such as the colors for buttons or active menus. Let's change it, for example, for a red color. As you see, it changes to red. Yeah. At any point, you can go to the default color. And we could do the same with the text color. This would change this text here. The footer color, for example, if we go to the footer section, which is right here, we could change this color for another color. For example, let's say we wanted it to be white. So we can change it to white. And there you go. We have a white footer. Let's go to the default color. And let's keep reviewing the options. We have the menus. As you know, every WordPress theme or child theme has some menus areas or locations. In this case, if we go to view location, we have only one. We have the primary navigation menu, which is right here. You could, of course, change it for another menu, edit the current menu, or create new menus from here. Then we have widget areas. Again, these are spaces that you can populate with widgets. So let's go to widgets, and we see we have two widget areas, the before footer widget area and the footer area. If we go to the footer area, we see that it's blank. We don't have anything. We could add any widget, and we could do the same with the before footer area, which would go right before this footer area. So it would be kind of here. Yes? All right. Let's go to review other settings. The homepage settings is something that comes already with WordPress, so we won't review it either. Then we have the theme settings, which are somehow related to the Uprising theme because this is brought by the Genesis Framework. For example, you have some options for the singular content, meaning that we could decide what to show or to hide on individual entries. So let's go ahead and check out this sample post. We could decide if we wanted to show the feature image or not, as you can see. We could do the same on pages. Normally you would show them on posts, but not on pages, but this is really up to you. You could also take advantage of the post shortcodes to show or not some metadata. For example, if I didn't want to show the author name, I could just delete this part right here, and the author name is gone. Yes, let's bring it back. And remember that you can check all shortcodes right on this link. Yes, you also have some meta content below the content. So we can go down here, we see the meta content here, same thing. We could change this, add new shortcodes, anything you want. Yeah, this is for the singular content. But what about archives? Well, let's go to content archives. And let's go to an archive page, for example, this category page. And here we have it. This is an archive page, meaning it shows a collection of posts. We could also change this. We could show the whole content or only excerpts. You could limit or change the limit for the text that is shown. You could change the image size, the alignment, and even the pagination type. Let's go right down here with the pagination links. We could change it to previous next or leave it in numeric. Okay, great. Remember that you have some other options brought by the Genesis Framework, such as changing the footer text. You can change it right here. And that's basically it for the customization options. Now, what can we do in terms of adding content, editing content? Let's publish this. And let's go to the home page. Okay, let's say we wanted to edit this page. We could just click on edit page here, or we could go to the back end and look for the page. In this case, let's gonna edit the page and let's see what we have here. Okay, this is content that we have imported using the one-click setup, but we can obviously edit anything we have here. This is, for example, a cover, a blog. You could edit it. We have some different blocks here. For example, this is a post and page grid. You could edit anything taking advantage of the Gutenberg editor. But The cool thing is that we could go to Layouts. This is a feature brought by the Genesis Blocks plugin, and we could insert full sections, full layouts, or even search for collections. In this case, we have the Uprising collection that is going to allow you to insert design elements that go perfectly with the Uprising child theme. For example, if at any point you wanted to insert some testimonials, we could do it. We just click on it, and here we have them, our testimonials. As you see, the same look and feel that we have all over our website, and it's the perfect structure. We just need to edit some content, add our images, or move it around the page if you wanted to. But you could also take advantage of the patterns option. Let's go to Add New and go to Patterns. And this is brought by the child theme, and it goes right into the patterns option. The only thing you need to pay attention to is to filter by Osom Press. And here we have buttons. Here we have 2 columns with images. Here we have 2 images. Here we have some columns with buttons and a few other design options. Again, it's very easy. We just click on them, and here we have them. Now we just need to update the page. We can view it. And here we have our original design mixed up with our new elements, the testimonials and these special columns. So that's it. Now it's your turn to have fun and make an awesome website. Bye bye.